We have successfully connected our React app with our Git server. Now, we are going to make it alive using Netlify. Netlify is a cloud computing company in which we can deploy and manage our apps for free. Okay, now go to netlify.com and choose Login with GitHub and fill all these intros. Now, it is asking us to deploy an app using GitHub. If you click on that option, a new GitHub window will be opened asking for the authorization. After authorization, click on the only selected repos and choose the appropriate repo. Now, our GitHub repo is connected with Netlify. Let's deploy our app by clicking on this deploy button. The deploying process will start at once. Wait for it to complete. The building process has failed because the warnings in our app are considered as errors. Let's debug this by referring to Google. There is an answer for this in StackOverFlow, saying to change the build command to this. Let's do it. Go to Site Configuration and click on Build and Deploy button and choose Configure. Change the build command here and save it. Okay, let's redeploy our app now. Okay, it is now successfully deployed in Netlify. We can change the site name as we want. Now, let's see whether our app is in the air. And yes, it is working fine. But if you navigate to a subroute, it will show page not found. We can eliminate this error by creating a new folder named redirects with an underscore before in the public folder and pasting this text inside it. Let's do it. Now, let's save this file and push to the Git server. Netlify will automatically detect the new push in our Git repo and start building it. Now, we can move around the routes we created. Okay, that's it for this session, and I will see you in the next video.